straightforward. It's not controversial. It's a straightforward issue on fake reports in the social media. I've always said that the social media is garbage in, garbage out. So I hope that the way the Africans who use social media will not break the society. That's my only hope. Because you will see where even the appointments will be made, they will go and fake letter-headed paper and write that the person has rejected the appointment, and then they will now rush to people they know and to go and lobby for that same appointment, when the person in question does not even know that he has rejected the appointment. So this is the problem we are having with the social media. And then unfortunately some people revel in it. They relish in social media. Any small thing they go to social media. So I do know that the Senate, it's important the public knows that the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria has not even concluded the processes of getting a final report for deliberation on constitutional amendment. That were to be the case, it will involve all the houses. Senate. It's important the public knows that the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria has not even concluded the processes of getting a final report for deliberation on constitutional amendment. And therefore no single state, proposed or otherwise, has been created. That even if that were to be the case, it will involve all the houses or assemblies in the country, and we must get their 2/3 concurrence before anything can come back to us. And the two chambers, our House of Reps and the Senate must also be involved. So I've seen some communities holding meetings on how they are going to develop their new states. And because the social media said states have been created for them. I think they said how many states they said they created. 12 new states. So unfortunately, not one even their proposals for state creation well over 42 or so, but not one has reached a stage where we can even say we have finished zonal deliberations or even finished national deliberation and then transmitted to state houses of assembly and then brought back to the National Assembly for deliberations, and thereafter go into various processes of making amendments or alterations to the Nigerian Constitution are very laborious and very stringent. So please, the public should be aware, as raised by Senator Nengi, that no state has been created by this August Assembly, and every report to that effect in the social media is fake. I hope people are educated.
It is appalling, very dissatisfying situation that in the 21st century, the youth doesn't know how to identify legitimate information and propaganda. This era is called information age. We have overgrown the industrial age. We are now in information age. Yet, 99.9 Nigerians don't know how to get rightful information. It is dissatisfying. It is appalling. It's an awkward situation. Mostly if you're a person following me, you don't know how to get information. You see, I have tried as much as I can to let you understand that the government is not our problem. Am I saying that the government are good? No. The government are bad, evil, selfish, greedy, wicked. Anything you want to call the government of the day, they are. And they know that for truth. But before you accuse the government, have you taken responsibility or been responsible for your actions? Have you acknowledged that you are part of the problem? Come to my comment section, YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Hey, I see 12 posts. Never. Why are you asking me? Can't you verify information? Can't you verify information? Why are you asking me? This is why some pastors are deceiving you people, because they will tell you that Obi is a boy. Can't you verify that information? Nigeria play ball with India, they win us 101. Can't you verify that information? I have spiritual power to do this and that. Can't you verify that information? And you'll be asking me, how do you verify information? So you cannot tell me that you don't know the difference between original Fanta and fake Fanta. You can't know the original phone and the fake phone. Then if you don't have, it's your problem. That's why I talk of responsibility. You must be able to accept that you are responsible for any wrong act decision you have taken. People will share propaganda, lies and falsehood against your people. You will believe it. You will believe it. Because you cannot verify what is truth. You don't even know when it is entertainment. You don't even know when it is a prank. You don't even know when it is a lie. You don't even know when it is a cruise. Everything you sink it in and be running up and down, agitating, causing problem up and down. I didn't want to reply this question for anybody page. In fact, the intention is that anybody will ask me and I want to reply, but I tell and say yes, Anioma is not to be graded. I want you people to learn how to be 100% equipped with information, rightful information. Stop looking at me. I'm not the Messiah. I am not. You can be like me. You can even be greater than me. You can be greater than me. This is what you people lack to understand. That's why I keep saying it, and I will repeat it again here. It is not lack of money. It is not bad government. It is not lack of a job. It is not lack of power, spiritual, physical, or even anointing that is making us perish in this country. What is making us perish in this country is lack of knowledge. We no get sense. Not be to carry big phone, get data, they laugh. Anything where Pella Jarvis talk, you go laugh. Not being be life. Life is the rightful truth that you know. It's called knowledge, knowing to the edge. You put lack knowledge in this 21st century. As I'm talking to you now, somebody is in the market to buy a fake phone, and you'll be blaming the seller. Meanwhile, somebody is also making a video now on YouTube, on TikTok, how to know original product and fake product. You will not watch it because it's not shaking bomb bomb. It's not telling you tap, 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 tap. You will not watch it. You will not. But you buy the product and start blaming the seller. I've said it time without number. If you are the one patronizing fake products, the fake product will continue existing. Reno Mokri is making video post today and people are complaining because you are patronizing Reno. That comment you write there, you are patronizing Reno. You are the one making Reno to sell. If a prostitute starts in this junction, I've said it time without number, I will repeat it again here. If a prostitute stands in this junction, 5 days, nobody told her hello. Everybody does the pass and front and back. After 5 days, two things is involved. Either she stand there, start selling recharge card. That means she will change her occupation. Or she will change position. She will relocate from here, go another place. Not say people where they are not one prostitute. So far you keep pricing or telling the person hello, hi, laughing over it, you are making the person to blow. You don't know how to get the right information. You are blaming others. You heard what Akpabio said. I have stressed on this matter so that I will have every opportunity to tell you. Because when I see this kind of information again, I won't be able. You heard what Akpabio is saying. They have not even concluded in one state, in a single state. You are talking of 12. And you people are running up and down with that propaganda. The constitutional amendment is not just for a state. The government of the day are not building infrastructure. They are not building companies. They want to make a policy that when you plug into that policy, it will favor you. There is a policy that Buhari himself has signed, like electricity bill. How many people are taking advantage of that? Electricity bill has been passed that you can build your own electricity. How many people are doing it? How many communities are championing it? Say, we get water, let's call companies to come and build electricity, supply light to us and supply light to our people. How many people are doing that? None of you. None of you are doing that. But what you do is to blame the government. Is your king, because you people are not taking advantage of the policies and information available. You are not. And that is why the constitution, this one they are trying to do, is the same thing. It is part of the constitutional amendment that we are taking advantage to seek for Anioma state. There's going to be state policing or regional policing. Anyone they come out with. It's part of the constitutional amendment. You don't expect them to wake up in the next day and just grade. There are going to be boundary adjustment, which the banker are plugging into. There are going to be local government autonomy. The disabled are going to be found in the political system. They're trying to make a law that time will come, they pass the policy. If you build a house and you do not consider where the disabled will use as staircase, your house will not pass. This is 21st century. This is information age. This is how the world is revolving. And Nigeria need to be up to date. But all of you who are here shouting this and that, following propaganda, you don't know when. See, that guy will keep bringing, and those our enemies will keep bringing such information because you are the one enabling it. Because you don't know the truth. If you see some things, even if you want to come and laugh, you know. And this also will tell that even the politicians are watching social media. If they don't watch it, they won't know that somebody shared that gazette and says 12 states has been created. But they watch what is interested, what concern them. You know go watch what it concern you. You know go watch how you go take better your life. This is the problem we are facing in 21st century. These are issues that needed to be addressed as a Nigerian concerned citizen. Anyway, I'm here to remind you of our forthcoming Igbo Unification Conference, 29th and 30th. Iyabi seponte now. Iyabi mbunono. Asina aguyono. I'm begging you. I'm asking you for a favor. Donate money to us. Donate to us. Please, I'm begging you. Donate so that we can have a successful Igbo Unification Conference come 29th and 30th of August 2025. It is just close to 1 month now, and we need money to keep running and bringing everybody. Like I told you, the money is for the contingency that are coming, most especially Igbos that are coming from the remaining 12 states of Nigeria, apart from Delta. Yes, people are going to come from far from Delta too. There is the Anioma region, the Igbos in Benue, Kogi, Akwa Ibom, Cross River, Bayelsa, Rivers, then the Igbos in the southeast. We want to make sure we keep them in a hotel. We want to make sure we feed them. We want to make sure we accommodate them. We want to make sure we pay for their to and fro. So these are the things going to take money. And all our kings and leaders and political leaders that are coming, their security, their welfare, even the hall we are going to use, the entertainment, so these are the reason why we need money. If you really love what I'm doing and you want to see Igbo unite under one umbrella, this is the time. Donate to this cause. Donate to this cause. On my comment section on any of my platform, I'm going to be dropping 2 different accounts where you can donate. The Igbo Foundation and our legal lawyer, Barrister Forchi account. I'm going to be dropping it here. Please. This is where we are now. This is what I'm asking you to do for us. You have supported us morally and financially and physically for all our movement. This is the one we are asking for right now. Thank you and God bless you. I'm out of here, John. Mwah.